100% natural sorbets, ice creams, and more. Easy to make with Pacojet. Production of sorbet. With a Pacojet, it is possible to produce any type of sorbet, either sweet or savory. Using sugar is not mandatory. The consistency of the end product is equally fine, whether using whole fresh fruit or fruit puree. For moderate sweetening and a creamier texture, the addition of glucose is recommended. Production of ice cream. Pacojet can be used to produce all kinds of ice cream, from super rich premium to low-fat gelatos. However, all ice creams containing egg yolk requires the pre-production of a classic custard or crème anglaise base in the preparation phase. This also applies to Pacojet. But with Pacojet, the custard is filled into the beaker and can then be flavored simply by adding fresh fruit or chocolate, caramel, nuts, etc. prior to freezing. Pacotizing will blend in these ingredients to perfection in texture and taste. A gelato is based on a custard made without cream. The result is an ice cream with more firmness and density, but with the same fine consistency one expects from a Pacojet. When pacotized at -20 degrees Celsius, Pacojet also produces ice creams to the ideal serving temperature of -12 degrees centigrade. Shown here as a typical example is an herb concentrate of parsley. First, the chlorophyll is stabilized by briefly blanching the parsley in boiling salted water. Then rinsed in cold water. Press dry and chop into coarse pieces. Fill into a beaker and cover with water or olive oil. Press to compact and freeze for at least 24 hours at -20 degrees centigrade. When needed, pacotize the parsley and mix the resulting concentrate directly into a velouté or sauce, to which it will impart its full aroma and color. In an Asian-style cuisine, Pacojet can be used to make a ginger concentrate or a chili for those who like it hot. Kept refrigerated, all concentrates can be stored for long periods. Production of farces and stuffing. When using Pacojet to make a farce for pâtés or terrines, adding some fresh cream as an ingredient before processing it will ensure binding and a smooth, homogeneous mix. Sweetening to taste. To add more sweetness to a pacotized end product, a sorbet for example, is done easily by mixing simple syrup into the processed beaker.